What signs indicate the Trump economy's growth is stalling in 2026? You might be surprised by subtle but clear warning signals that suggest a slowdown is already underway. One key sign the Trump economy's growth is stalling in 2026 is rising inflation. Even with policies aimed at boosting the economy, prices for everyday goods and services are climbing. This means your money doesn't buy as much, signaling that growth might be more superficial than it appears. Inflation erodes consumer confidence and spending, which are essential for sustained economic expansion. Another warning signal is the decline in manufacturing output. Factories are producing less, which often points to weakening demand both domestically and internationally. Industrial slowdown tends to ripple through the economy, affecting jobs and investment. This drop suggests the initial surge of growth is losing momentum as key sectors contract. The labor market also shows signs of stalling. While unemployment rates might still look low, job growth has decelerated. Some sectors are even seeing layoffs or hiring freezes. When companies become cautious about expanding their workforce, it often signals uncertainty about future growth and a potential economic downturn on the horizon. Stock markets have become more volatile, swinging wildly on news about trade policies and corporate earnings. This volatility indicates investors are uncertain about the economy's direction. When confidence falters, investment slows, adding pressure to stall economic growth. This is a subtle but powerful sign that the Trump economy's expansion is facing headwinds. So these signs, from rising inflation and manufacturing declines to labor market shifts and stock market volatility, paint a clear picture. The Trump economy's growth is stalling in 2026. Understanding these signals helps you stay ahead of economic changes. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.